Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, Halloween Happy. My name is Sam. If you are new here, I'm gonna go ahead and burn this candle that you've already seen in one of my previous videos. It smells so good. I got this at TJ Maxx, I think, last year or the year before. I'm also at the bottom of my coffee while I filmed this video. It's like the white macadamia nut at Starbucks. It's really, really good. So this first package comes from Sawdust City Candle Co. These candles I was so excited to get. I love the label and I love how they drew on the top of the lids. All of them smell very light to me. I like that they have like all the spooky labels. It's soy wax, so of course that burns even better, but I will link the website down below if you guys want to give them a look. I just thought it was pretty creative how they did the top of the lids. So thank you so much to Sawdust City Candle Co. Alright, so this next package comes from my buddy Sean, and I will link his Instagram down below. He collects the coolest things and he's always so kind in sending me a little something here and there. And this is a Lagoon Love sticker. Creature from the Black Lagoon is one of my favorite horror movies. I don't know if you guys remember these from last year, but I actually have one and I'm so excited to have another one because it's such a pain to keep switching one to each bag, if that makes sense. So I will definitely use this. Moving along, shout out to ScentSationals. Guys, they have been so good to me. They have sent me a few warmers, they've sent me a few wax melts, and they are just so strong. The fragrances are really good. They're very yummy. Like, they're truly delicious. Like, my mouth is watering just thinking about them. I'm actually burning this, well, melting this one right now. The lavender, it's so good. So here is one of their spooky burners that they have currently. This little gnome, and it's so adorable. I personally normally don't lean towards gnomes. I don't have any gnomes. So cute. Next up, we have this coloring book. I was actually reached out by, I believe, this illustrator's like PR team, marketing team. I think maybe it's the publishing company, but it's Sara I'm not even gonna try to pronounce that. And I thought this was just so darling. Ghost spells and creatures, oh my. And all of the pages are so cute. So thanks to Sara for sending this my way. This comes from Caroline, also known as Staying Spooky here on YouTube and Instagram. She has a shop on Etsy. She does like these surprise boo boxes. This little cute pumpkin charm bracelet that I love. I love the beading on this. Look at how cute this little pumpkin keychain is. Takes a second to focus, but adorable. It's simple but cute. Also in the boo box came this shirt, a little jack-o'-lantern face. I feel like you can never have too many spooky shirts. Maybe that's just me. Maybe it's not. I feel like you guys can relate. Also was this fleece blanket. I decided to keep it in the packaging just in case I gift it to someone because I have so many blankets. Thank you so much, Caroline, for sending me your goodies, and check out her shop. This is from Brenda, also known as Weezerface here on Instagram. They have been working on these spoons where I don't even know what you call it, but they stamp the back of the spoons. And they knew that my favorite word is eek. So they stamped the word eek and then also this little jack-o'-lantern. Isn't that cute? I don't know if you can see it well enough, but I just thought that was so fun and so creative, and it was just a really thoughtful gift. This is from Twilight Clay Co on Etsy. Her name is Jennifer. She has a shop. She makes the cutest earrings and I'm actually really obsessed with all of them. She was so kind to send them my way, so I really appreciate it. And this cookie set, I mean, hello. And you have these jack-o'-lantern teapots. So adorable. So be sure you guys check out her shop. I'll link that below too. So recently I was sent these books called The Terriblest from Nichols. I feel like these will fit right in my book collection. If you guys didn't know, I collect children and young adult Halloween spooky books. Do I read them? Sometimes I do, but I want to make it into a thing of where I bookmark and just go through my shelves and kind of read it, you know? I like looking through the pages. I just like collecting them. So this package comes from Haunted Happenings here in Salem. It's the Haunted Happenings magazine. They are so sweet. They are one of my friends, and they also have an Etsy shop, and they do like tumblers, cups, all sorts of things, all sorts of Salem things. They have like a Salem box, so definitely check them out. But they were so kind and sent me a little something to remember Raven. If you guys didn't know, if you're new here, this was my dog Raven. She was 16 years and 8 months, but recently I had to say goodbye to her. I love this so much. It's like this photo tile, and it's very well made, and it comes with these little stands to where you can display it like this. This picture of Raven was so cute. It's actually one of my favorite. I really miss that face. I mean, how can you not miss a sweet angel like that? This was sent from Simone the Sinner. She was so sweet and also wanted to send me a little something to remember Raven. This photo, it says, "My paw prints may no longer be in your house, but they will forever be in your heart." Oh my goodness, my heart. That little quote definitely made my eyes water up when I opened it. This is also another one of my favorite photos of Raven. She's so cute. She was just one of the best dogs that I've ever had. She's so cute. So thank you so much for sending this my way. It's just weird not having a dog anymore, you know? Another little treasure, and this is from Spooky Savannah. Savannah was so kind, and she also wanted to send me a little gift to remember Raven, and she sent me this beautiful printed canvas. She picked some photos of Raven, of Joe and I, and they're all just really sweet memories. I love that one in the snow because she just always loved to give me kisses, and that was like mid-shot. She's just so sweet. And on the bottom, that's when we took her to one of the pet parades here in Salem, and then up top we dressed her up, and she was kind of over it at that point. And then the other one is her and Joe. I think that was like during the holidays, but I just really love this, and it means so much. So thank you so much for sending this my way. Thank you so much from the bottom of my spooky heart. I appreciate everything that everyone has sent to me, and obviously these gifts of Raven, oh, they really pull at my heartstrings. So thank you guys for sending these my way, taking the time and energy to make sure that I have a little something to remember Raven. That's very sweet of you guys. So lucky to have you a part of my community. That's gonna wrap it up for this little mail haul. If you guys like my videos, enjoy my channel, please go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. It would help me out so much. And I hope this video finds you having a Halloween happy kind of day. And I will see you guys next time. Before I leave you, if you want to join my community, definitely check out my Patreon. The link is listed below. You get access to my Discord, behind the scenes, extra personal post, Halloween happy mail, monthly hangouts, movie nights, and so much more. So if you want to show your support for my channel, it would mean so much. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!